Today on What's Up Guy Garage, I'm going to do a kind of, I guess, scale comparison video, just a visual scale, and then you can visually just see the differences between some of the scale sizes. You can just get your eyes on the differences, I guess, in some of the sizes of the vehicles versus the actual scale. Just because a scale size says 110, it doesn't mean wheelbase, wheel track width, ground clearance. It doesn't mean that any of that is going to be the same, and I'll show you what I'm talking about.
What we do here is go back.
What we'll do is we'll start from the very beginning. So right here you can see this vehicle right here. It is actually a 1/18 scale WLTOYS 959B. And that's what that vehicle looks like right there. Then next up, we have the HBX Rampage. What that is, again, a 1/18 scale. And there's that truck right there. Now these two are very similar in size. Next up is this vehicle right here, which we're actually going to be doing a review on, as well as some modifications that I feel that this vehicle needs. I think will extend its run times. Next up, this vehicle right here, which is actually, if you look at the actual tag, so this is the 1/12 scale Desert Eagle, and this is a giveaway RC. And if you don't know what the giveaway RC is, well, that's it right there. Put a link right up there, and also a link in the description, so if you're interested in winning that giveaway vehicle, well, there you go. Next up is this vehicle right here, which is a 1/10 scale REDCAT Tornado, and this one actually has a different body on it than came stock. I preferred this style of body to what was actually on there. To kind of be blatantly honest, I do like that body a heck of a lot better than the body that it came with, but a certain family member made that all possible for changing out the body to what you see now. Next up is a 1/10 scale REDCAT Blackout. We're also going to be doing a review on this vehicle right here. This again shares a body that used to actually be on that vehicle right there. So that body right there, that's actually not the body for that vehicle, but we'll get into that after. And there's a look at that vehicle right there. And then we have the 1/10 scale REDCAT Gen 7 Crawler. Then next up, 1/10 scale T and E Max, and that's obviously TRAXXAS. Now that isn't the body that actually goes on that RC. That's actually for the original T Max, which right now you can see the Blackout took the E Max body, and I just put this body on the E Max as a representation. And there wasn't really any sense in bringing out the E-Max and the T-Max, putting them side by side, because effectively they're the same exact vehicle, except one is electric and the other one is gas. Next up, this one right here, the TRAXXAS E-Revo 1st Gen. Next, the 1/8 scale REDCAT Racing TRMT 8E. and that is the 6S version. That thing right there, that thing is a wheelie monster. Next, of course, this is a vehicle that everybody should already know. TRAXXAS calls this Pro Scale, which is actually in between 1/7 and 1/8 scale. So that's kind of like the weird thing about scale of vehicles, is that 1/10 scale doesn't necessarily mean exact sizing in a 1/10 scale of something else. Each individual vehicle has their own sizing, wheelbase, wheel track width, ground clearance, they're all different. And then we have, right there, question scale, question manufacturer. But if you get a look at the size of that vehicle compared to, I guess you want to say, everything else, there's a little bit of a size difference. So now what I'll do is I'm going to give you kind of an aerial overview. So we've got the, what is that? Then we've got the TRAXXAS UDR, which is 1/7, 1/8 scale. Then we have the REDCAT TRMT 8, which is 1/8 scale. And then look at the eRevo right next to it. So the eRevo is 1/10 scale, and it's the same size. Well, almost. The 1/10 scale TRAXXAS T and E Max. Then we have a 1/10 scale REDCAT GEN7, and that's a crawler. Then we've got the 1/10 scale, we're actually getting too small here. We got the 1/10 scale REDCAT Blackout. Then we've got the 1/10 scale REDCAT Tornado. 1/12 scale Desert Eagle, and that's obviously the giveaway vehicle.
Wow, yeah.
1/16 scale Vados Spirit. 1/18 scale HBX Rampage. And then to finish it off, the 1/18 scale WLTOYS 959. Now, I don't know if that's going to help anybody as far as looking at scale of vehicles, but here's another view. And then we actually have to back away for the scale of that one. So that was just kind of showing you, I guess, scale size difference of different RC vehicles. We'll get another view or another shot. So just doing a quick comparison video, kind of just showing you different scale size of different vehicles that I currently own. And that's still not all of them. That's what I'm bringing out because that's what fits right now. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode of What's Up Guy Garage. Just giving you a quick little reminder about the giveaway that's happening, and it's on this vehicle right here, which is a 1/12 scale brushless desert racer, 4-wheel drive. If you haven't entered into the contest, I'll leave a link in the description. Obviously, there's something down below, or hit the link that was up in that top corner, and it will point you to the video about the giveaway. Thanks for watching this episode of What's Up Guy Garage. There's always more to come. What do we got right there? clearance, each wheel, the everything right there.